Cleo the snake, she's gonna be eating her second mouse. Go ahead, Cleo. It's all good. Oh yeah, that was pretty awesome, right? Look, there you go. Nice bite. Oh yeah. Kinda cool, right? Mouse's tongue is kinda hanging out. Kinda cool. Yep. Anyways, that's it. She ate this. She's killed the snake. So I mean, killed the mouse. She will be eating it here shortly. That's all.